Okay, let's evaluate this algebraic expression. We have kind of like a fraction thing happening here. On the top, we have 3 in parentheses y plus 8, close parentheses, all over x. Now the good news is we're given the two variables, y and x, and they are y equals -6 and x equals -2. We're going to drag and drop these guys into the expression. We're going to substitute them in there. And we're going to work out what the answer is. Now, one of the first things I like to do is first of all label what x and y are as numbers in that expression. So I'm going to write down x equals -2 next to the x. So that is going to be a -2. Replace that. And the y is going to be -6. I'm going to place the y with a -6. That's a -6 that goes for the y. So now let's rewrite this expression with the new numbers substituted in. So we got up the top here 3. We have the bracket, and then we have -6. -6 plus 8. Close bracket, all over. X is replaced by -2. Now the first thing you want to do is work out what's inside the parentheses. Always work with what's inside first before you work your way out. So -6 times 8. So -6 plus 8, -6 plus 8. That's the same as saying 8 minus 6. It's the same thing, we just rearrange them. So 8 minus 6 is just 2. So what's inside the parentheses is going to be a value of 2. So that's going to be 2 in there. Now outside we've got the 3, and down below we still got the -2. Now we're going to replace this interior area with the 2 in there. So let me just rewrite this all again. So we've got 3 brackets. Inside we have a +2. Close bracket. All over -2. Now remember, in the language of algebra, when you have a number or a variable next to the parentheses, it automatically means multiply. So that means 3 times 2. So that's going to equal 3 times 2 all over -2. What does that equal? On the top, 3 times 2, that equals 6 all over the same -2. Let me put it underneath. The language of algebra, or fractions, we divide the bottom into the top. How many times does 2 go into 6? It goes in 3 times. So 2 goes into 6 3 times. Now, we've got a negative number dividing into a positive number. When you have a negative number dividing into a positive number, that always gives you a negative number. Or the other way around, a positive into a negative still gives you a negative. So when they are opposite, positive and negative, whether you're dividing or multiplying, you're going to get the opposite answer. So 6 divided by -2 is going to give us -3. So the answer is -3.